Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Akmal Wafi. I'm from class 5A and right now I'm going to explain about the lab activity 7s. So we are going to look at the coding first. So in my screen right now we are going to go for the explanation of the update book activity coding first. So as you look in here, we have a form fields. We have the declaration of the edit text for the text title, description, author, ISBN, and text here. Then we have coding for the date picker. And this is the API key for update the endpoint. Then we have the date picker fragment. And then this is to on click for the show date picker dialog. And then this is to get book ID from the intent. And then this is to get the user tokens to get the book. This is to load the book info. This is to show the created data, display only date, and then this is to formatting the date, and then this is the date code. So and then this is to collect the updated value. This is to update the book object. And then if you DB want full date time, it will change your PHP to handle it. This is to call the updated API. And then this is the on failure function, and then this is the logout and redirect functions. And then next we are going to look at the book detail activity.java. So firstly, this is the on create function, and then this is to get book ID sent by book list activity. And then this is to get the user info from chat preferences. And then this is to get book service instances. Next, this is to execute the API query, send the token and book ID. This is to get the references to view elements. This is to set values. And then lastly, we have the on failure function. Next is the book list activity.java coding. So this is the declaration of the book service, recycler view, adapter, and then book adapter and book list activity class. We have on create functions, and then this is the floating action button for adding new books. This is to register recycler view for context menu, and then this is to get the user info from chat preferences. This code is to get all books from the server. And then this if else function is to add item divider in recycler view. We have the on create context menu functions, on context item selected function, and then we have do view details function, and then this is to delete the book function, and then this is to update the book function. Next is the login activity.java. So as right now, we have the coding to skip login if it is already logged in. And then this is the email versus user decisions. So that's all for login activity.java coding. And then this is the new book activity.java coding. New book is to add the book to the application. So this is on create function. This is to pick the date button. This is to coding for add the book button. This is to build the book object. And right now we have the coding to call the API the service. And lastly, the on failure function. And lastly, for the coding, we are going to look at the main activity function. So this is the coding for the main activity. We have the book list button function, and then this is to call by Android, which is on click in SNL. So that's all for the coding. Next we are going to look at the output of my project. So firstly, if the user first timely click it, open the application, it will ask the user to log in. So right now we have the username and password. So I set the username as admin, so I will type here admin, and then the password also will be admin. If I click login, it will say the login is successful, and then it will go to the main page. It will will greet the user, which is my name. Right here we have admin as my username. So if let's say I want to log in for a second time or next other time, so click the application, it will automatically log in, so the user doesn't have to fill the username and password many times. So right now we have the logout function. If I click the logout, it will say that you have successfully logged out. So, and then it will exit applications. Right now I have to fill in the details again, my username and password. So I set it admin, and my password also will be admin. And the login is successful. And then I'm going to look at the book list. So I click here, book list. So this is the book list for my application. Let's say I want to add a new book to the list, so I just click this button, and then the user will be given a form, so they have to fill in all the details. So right now I want to fill in a new book, so let's say the title will be computer science, description will be the data analyst of computer science, the author will be Akmal, and then the ISBN, the year 2004, pick date, so I can pick the date, so created at, it must be right now, right? So if I click the add book, we say that the book added successfully, and if we log in again, so we're going to open the application, the book list. As we can see here, we have the computer science book. The author is my name is which is Akmal, and then the description, data analyst of computer science. So let's say I want to update my book, so I just need to click here, and then I click the update button, so I can update any of the details I want. So let's say I want it to be on 2015, I just click the update book, and then it will say that book updated successfully. And also if we want to look at the details, click at this book list, and then we click the details. As you can see here, we have all the details about the book. We have the author name, the ISBN, year, created at what day, what time, and then updated at what date, what times. So this is all the details. This is a book list. So right now we have Hang Tuah, computer science, clinical and drug program. So let's say that I want to delete one of this book. I want to delete the Hang Tuah book because it is no longer on my I want in my application. So I just click the delete button. It will say that the book is deleted successfully. As we can see here, there is no longer Hang Tuah book right now. So that's all for the lab activity 7. Thank you.